Alright, in this next Photoshop 101 video, we're going to go over the Adobe Creative Cloud, what that looks like, and then installing Photoshop. And then the next video is going to be talking about launching Photoshop and then creating a new document. But for this video, after you purchase and install your Adobe Photoshop from adobe.com, you're going to have the Creative Cloud installed on your computer. This is the area you're going to be launching all the Adobe products that you have from. Now, I have the full Adobe package, so I've got all of these options. I've only got a few things installed right now on my computer, but I do have the options to install every Adobe product. If you just clicked and purchased the Photoshop and Lightroom, all you're going to see is Photoshop and Lightroom. You're not going to see an open button. Most likely you're going to see an install button similar to what it shows on here on Lightroom. Click that install and it's going to install your Photoshop for you. The rest of the stuff I don't really mess with. I haven't really gone through any of these things, but just kind of lets you pick out like the categories, shows you what you can mess with photos. So if you decide to get into doing other things other than making designs here in Photoshop, then you can use these things here for picking, if you wanted to start doing videos and stuff like that, you can do those, or illustrations, so on and so forth. But in Adobe Creative Cloud is also where you're going to find your updates. So every time Photoshop gets updated, or Illustrator, or any of these things get updated, this is where that's going to be. Keeping your stuff up to date is extremely important. But that's your basic overview of the Adobe Creative Cloud. It's where you're going to launch your product from, so you can launch Photoshop from here. But the next video we're going to go into actually launching Photoshop and creating a new document, and then we'll go from there.